I'm Nina, and welcome to 5-Minute Piano Lessons. Today, we're talking about how sound moves. How many different ways does sound move? Keep watching, and I'll tell you. I've been a piano teacher for over 20 years now. Today, in 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to play 3 songs on the piano, even if you have never tried before now. The only thing you need is a piano or a keyboard of any size. I'll be referring to it as a piano, but a keyboard is an electronic version of a piano, so it's the same thing. This method works best with songs that you have heard several times before. Of course, if you want to learn a song you've never heard before, these days you can practically listen to any song on several platforms: YouTube, Spotify, Apple Music, Pandora, iTunes, and more. Okay, let's get started. We're going to learn using numbers at first. In fact, we will start with only using the numbers 1 through 3. First, I'd like you to notice the black keys and look at the pattern that they make. As you see, they alternate between groups of 2 and 3, 2 and 3, the whole way, and that's it. You may see a group of 1 at the bottom of the piano, but that will also fall into the group of 2 or 3, so this would be a 3. So now we're going to do a listening exercise. First, I'm going to play all the groups of 3, going from left to right. Notice how the sound moved. If you said the sound moved up, you were correct. Sound goes from lower to higher. In fact, sound can only move 3 ways: up, down, and stay the same. So now we're going to focus on a group of 3 black keys. Just to the sound of the whole piano going from left to right goes from low to high, so does every single key. Also 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3, we're going to number it like that. 1, 2, 3. The sound goes up. If I go 3, 2, 1, the sound goes down. And if I stay the same, it would go 1, 1, 1, 1. So, you have just learned how to play 3 songs. Let me show you. Each song, especially the easier ones, has its own code that looks something like this. I have written the code of the sound of the song and made it go up and down just like the sound does. This helps you match the sound of the song to the sound of the keyboard. Plus, in harder songs, it tells you which direction to go as it gets more complicated. So here's the first song. Hot Cross Buns. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1. You can do it on another group of 3 too, a little higher. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1. Here's Mary Had a Little Lamb. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1. Here's a French folk song you may recognize. 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1. Here it is again. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1. So now you learned 3 songs in 5 minutes. Next time, we're going to use the numbers 1 through 5 and 1 through 6. See you then.